Good day, guys. Before we kick off, I want to beg you for something. This video might be long, probably 30 minutes or 40 minutes. Make sure, if you know you're not going to concentrate on it throughout from the beginning to the end, don't start it. Give this video proper time. Sit down with it, concentrate on it. If you can sit down and watch a movie for over 1 hour, 30 minutes, then, and I don't think this video will be up to 1 hour. Sit down and watch this video, and I bet you will not regret it. I am begging you, do not skip anything. If you know you are a beginner, you don't know anything about forex trading, do not skip. Sit down with it, put your earpiece, watch it, because this video, I promise you, once you watch this video from beginning to end, you will look for me to thank me. I'm telling you, you will look for me to dash me money, because I'm going to teach you everything that you need to know about forex trading from beginning to end, how to become a profitable trader, how to trade by yourself, needing no aid or support from anybody. Thank you very much. So before we continue, make sure you subscribe to my channel, because you really need to be in this channel, and click the bell button, because I'll be sending notifications, I'll be sending messages so that you get notifications. I'll be sending videos. You understand? And make sure you like. It doesn't cost you anything to like. Okay? Thank you very much. All right, guys. Many of you would have been hearing about Forex, and many of you will think Forex trading is a scam. Forex trading is a Ponzi scheme. Forex trading is Bitcoin. It will crash and all that. So many of you are scared to venture into Forex trading. But I'm here to break the news to you that Forex trading is not a scam. It's not Ponzi scheme. It's not Bitcoin. Forex trading will never crash. It will never crash. Now, what is the first and foremost, you want to define forex trading. What is forex trading? Forex trading is literally, in a layman term, the exchange of currency. I always like to use this as an example. Let's say, for instance, you are traveling to the United States and you are from Ghana, or you are from Nigeria, or whatsoever country. Now, there's something we call BTA. There's an amount United States would require for you to come into their country with. So let's say, for instance, I'm going to be using Nigeria as an example. You're leaving from Nigeria to US now, and they ask you to bring $1,000 to hold with you $1,000. So let's say, for instance, you change naira, because definitely you will need to change naira to dollar. You changing naira to dollar is forex. That's the definition of forex. That is the exchange of currency. So when you go to the airport, you will see all these currency changing offices and all that. You will see people that want to change. So let's say, for instance, while you were traveling, $1 to naira is 700 naira, because that's the amount right now. That's the current price. I think that's the current price. So we are just going to use 700 naira as an example. So if $1 is 700 naira, so then that means you need 700,000 naira to get a $1,000. Now, let's say you give the exchange people 700,000 naira and they gave you $1,000. Now you travel to the United States. Let's say when you now get to the United States, you went to meet your parent or your auntie or your uncle, and they took care of you for that whole week or month that you stayed in the United States. You did not spend the money that you exchanged. And when you are now coming back on arrival, you need to change back that dollars to naira, because you're coming back to Nigeria. It's naira we spend in Nigeria, we don't spend dollars. So probably you need to change that dollars to naira. So let's say during the time you traveled, the time you spent, like I said, dollar was 700 naira before you traveled. Now while you are returning, Nigeria's currency or Nigeria's economy has gone down, and has made the dollar increase from 700 naira to 800 naira during the time you spent in the United States. Now, as you are returning back, you want to change that $1,000 to naira, they will be giving you 800,000 naira. So meaning, within the space of how many weeks or months you stayed in the United States, you have made 100,000 naira profit. Do you understand? That is forex trading, because currencies move up and down in value every second, every minute, every hour, every day, every week, every month. Currencies do not stay in one place. The value of currencies do not stay in one place. They move up and down based on the economical issues and all that. It moves up and down, up and down, up and down. So that is literally forex trading. So tell me, forex trading is not gambling. Forex trading is not Ponzi scheme. Forex trading is not Bitcoin. So it has been there since inception. Now, it was difficult for us to trade in the forex market before, because they made it so difficult. You can't even trade without having a laptop, number one. It is now that we have smartphone all around us that things are not easy. Before, you must have a computer. And again, for forex broker, then they charge a huge sum of minimum deposit. At that time, I think some broker will tell you if you don't have up to $5,000, you can't trade in the forex market. So all these big people you see now, they've been involved in forex trading years back. They've been eating the money in forex trading. They don't want you to know the truth. It is now that the truth is coming out, and people are still not. Although yes, people are already jumping into forex trading, but people have not really still understood what forex trading is and how it can be profitable. Now, the banks you see, every bank you see, you can go and do your research. As I'm talking, go and do your research. Wherever you are in this world listening to my voice, go and do your research. Every bank you see today are trading in the forex market. They are trading in the forex market. Countries trade. So this is a scheme or a platform that will never end. So many big people will not want you to know this truth, but thank God for the internet. Thank God for mobile phones, for smartphone. Now, the truth has been unveiled. Everybody is now understanding how many billions and trillions have been traded in the forex market every day, and now seeing potentials. Do you understand? So I want to really do this explanation first, so you would understand that what you are getting yourself into, it is legit. So now, forex brokers are now making it easier for ordinary people to get into forex trading. So they've brought down the minimum deposit. Many broker, like this broker that I'm using right now, I'm going to be telling you the name soon as this video continues. So do not miss any part of this video. This video might take 10, 20, 30 minutes, but I would want to explain from the beginning, from Genesis to Revelation, from the beginning to end of forex trading. I'll be teaching you how to trade at the comfort of your home, and how to make money, how to deposit, how to withdraw, the risk involved and everything. So do not skip. If it will take you only just 30 minutes of your time to focus on this video, it is worth it. It is worth it. So before we go ahead, I want you to pause this video first. Pause this video. Check the description of this. I don't know where you are watching from. If you're watching from YouTube, check the description of this video or check the comment section. You see a link there. Click that link and register. This is the link will take you to this platform that I'm using right now. So you register, create an account, follow the process. Probably maybe as this video continues, I would create an account with you all so that you will see the process. It's very easy. Once you create your account, you verify your account, you download the app. So this platform I'm using right now, it is verified. You can also still go and do your research. I don't want to say the name now, because most people, once you just say the name, they will just pause the video, rush and go and download the app and start doing everything without getting proper information. So follow that link. Anywhere you're watching from, there will be a link to direct you. So click the link, register. Once you have registered, then come back to this video. So now let's continue. I want to believe you've paused, you've gone, you've created the account. Now let's continue. Okay, so I've explained to you what forex trading is and how legitimate forex trading is, and how the big people have been covering it, have been lying to everybody. They don't want you to know what they are doing, but this is what many people do. I worked with a man in one of the most richest places in Lagos, Nigeria, and I just always see the man come out at his balcony. He will open his Apple laptop. I always wonder, what is this man? Is this man doing scam? Is he a scammer, or what is he doing? Only for me to realize that he was actually trading in the forex market. He doesn't go anywhere. He trades every day, makes his billions every day. So that was part of the reasons why I still also got ventured into forex trading. So without wasting much time, I want to believe you have created an account. So now I'll be teaching you how to use this platform. Now let's say, for instance, you've created an account, you are down to this platform. If you check below, you will see account, trade, market, performance, and profile. I'm going to be taking this video step by step. This video is for beginners, people that don't know nothing about forex trading. So now you will notice that there is a trade here called USD JPY. Oh, before I go into that, I want to tell you this. Let me click what should I click now? Let me click trade. Okay, now let me click popular so you would understand. Oh, let me stay back at favorite. Okay, to trade in the forex market, currencies come in pairs. What do I mean by pair? Now look at this. This is the first one is US Tech, the other one is AAPL, and the third one is GBP USD. Now GBP USD, this is forex. USD JPY, this is forex. XAUSD, this is forex. BTC USD, this is crypto. Now one thing is, all these platforms now, they are now inculcating, because they know that cryptocurrency has come, and whether we like it or not, whether anybody says it's scam or not, people are actually making money in the cryptocurrency space. So what they have done is they've also given people that will still want to trade in the cryptocurrency space the opportunity to trade cryptocurrency on their platform. Okay, so currencies are in pairs. Now the first one is GBP USD. If you check below, you see it said Great Britain pound versus US dollar. USD JPY is US dollar versus Japanese yen. XAU USD, gold versus US dollar. So all those short words like GBP USD, they are the short form. They can't just write Great Britain pounds, it will be too long. So these are the short forms of currencies, country currencies. So this is how you trade in the forex market. So you trade a currency to another. Now you might be asking, how will I know when to buy and when to sell, or when to sell and when to buy? Now forex trading is divided into two: the intermediary stage, the beginner stage, and the professional stage. Now in the intermediary stage and the beginner stage, you can still trade, make your money, and be fine. I have a whole lot of people that have taught forex trading that are still in the beginner stage that are making even more than me a day. Do you understand? So now let me differentiate it for you. Now I want to take you to my Telegram group. Let me take you to my Telegram group. I want to take you to my Telegram group. Where's my Telegram group? Okay, this is my Telegram group. Now this is my group. I have 6,217 subscribers. So it's called Spirit FX Signals. Now let me show you. I want to show you something. Now this is a signal. It said sell XAU USD now. Apply proper risk management. Let me click the comment section. As you can see, after sending the signal, I sent the screenshot to show that we are in profit. Show that we are in profit. In this trade, we made $633. So now I'm trying to explain something to you. So as a beginner, if you are in the beginner stage, because that is where I'm teaching you right now, I'm teaching you the beginner stage of forex trading. So don't be afraid. If you are in this beginner stage, now someone like me, I'm a professional. So I will send you signals. Our signals are what to buy and what to sell. So because you may not know as a beginner. So but this is my job. So after that means you would still have to subscribe to this my signal channel. It is free of charge, so you're not paying any money. It's free of charge. So you subscribe every day. I send you signal what to buy and what to sell. Okay, so you have to join this group. So this aspect of forex trading is the professional aspect, the advanced aspect. For me to be able to draw my analysis, draw my chart, detect where the market is going to go to, whether it's going to buy or sell, that is advanced aspect of forex trading. Not everybody have this knowledge, which you can also learn the advanced aspect of it. So but if you are in the beginner stage, you don't have to be afraid. So you can join my signal group where I'll be sending signals. I'll be telling you what to buy and what to sell on a daily basis. So now let's go back to where we are coming from. Now this is how the app will look like. Okay, this is a reel and this is demo. I just moved to demo now. So I created a demo account. So as a beginner, you can create a demo account. What is a demo account? A demo account is an account where you can practice with. They will give you money. As you can see, $1,000 is on this account, but it's not real. It's for you to to practice what you have learned. So what you'll be learning today from this video, I would still advise you to create a demo account. It's simple. Once you just, let me go back again. You see training account, that's the title of this account. There's a drop down here. Once you tap the drop down, this is real and this is demo. So if you want to create a real account, if you click this plus sign here, once you tap the plus sign, it will ask you, is it real you want to create or demo? Once you click real, it will take you to this page. It will ask, is it a MetaTrader 5 account or a MetaTrader 4 account you want to create? I always advise you leave it in the MetaTrader 5 and choose this standard. Just tap the screen. Once you tap the screen, it will ask you the currency If you want the currency to be in your native currency, no problem. Just tap this drop down. You can choose your native currency, but I always prefer United States dollar because it's cool. United States dollar is cool. Once you're depositing on United States dollars rate, and when you're withdrawing, you're also withdrawing in United States dollars rate. So let's say, for instance, you started your trading journey with a $10. Do you understand? Then I'm sending you signals on daily basis. You're trading and you're growing the account from 10 to 20, 30, 40, 50, 500, 1000, and you want to withdraw. You withdraw in United States. They will pay you in based on the exchange rate in United States at that time. So you'll be making so much money. All right. So the second one now is leverage. It always come with a default of 1 to 200, but I'll always advise you to move it to 1 to 2000. Yes. So that's all. Then you can account nickname. You see the account nickname of that one, the one I showed you guys is training account. So you can just put your name. Oh, Henry's account or so and so account. That you click continue. Let's say I want to click. Let me put big. Okay, let me put let me just put big money account. It just depends on what you want to do. Then you click continue. Then they ask you for your password. Just use the password that you have always been using, the one you used in creating the account from beginning. I'm going to use this as my password. Then you click continue. So it will ask you to make a deposit. I'm going to still come back there, but okay, let me just touch it here now. Once you click make a deposit, it will show you the options. So if you want instant bank transfer, if you want bank card, instant bank transfer is what I use. So make sure you use the method in which you use in depositing. That's the method you use in withdrawing. So be aware. Make sure you deposit with bank transfer, because bank transfer takes not up to 10-15 minutes to enter into the account, and when you are withdrawing, it is also instant. But if you are using bank card to deposit, it is instant, but to withdraw, this is everywhere, not only in this broker I'm using, it's everywhere. If you want to use bank card to withdraw, sometimes it takes up to 3 working days before it gets to you, so it's not advisable. So it's either you use online bank transfer. If you are a Bitcoin person, you know how to use Bitcoin, you use Bitcoin. If my box is in your country, use my boy. If Nextella, you use Nextella. If it's a Perfect Money, Skrill, they have many options that you can use. So let's say, for instance, I'm going to be using online bank transfer. Once you click it, it will ask you the amount you want to deposit. Okay, I want to deposit 20,000 naira. I'm in Nigeria, so I want to deposit 20,000 naira. So it has brought out the amount in dollar. So if I send 20,000 naira, this is the amount they will give me in dollar, which is $26.98. So once I click continue, this is what it will do. It will say confirm, because now it did the look at conversion rate, 1 naira, $1. So 741 dollar, 741 naira to $1. Yes, 741 naira to $1. That's it. So when you click confirm, it will take you to this aspect. So I'm teaching you right now in this video how to deposit. All right, it will take you to this place. So you click pay with bank transfer. I've clicked it. Now this is because I'm in Nigeria, so I don't know the country you're watching from. You can follow the same process. So it has given you an account to pay the money. This is the account number 765011471. So he said pay 20,000. Make sure you don't pay 21,000 or pay 22,000. Pay the amount you have imputed, which is 20,000 naira. Then you need to copy this account number. It's a Wema Bank account number. So you go to your bank app. Once you go to your bank app, just the way normally you transfer money, you transfer the money to this account instantaneously. Guys, I'm telling you, the money will appear on your trading account. So since I'm not doing it, I'm not going to do it. So now we have a real account. As you can see, real. We have big money account. And when I click demo, we have training account. So I've taught you how to deposit right now. So the same way to deposit is also the same way to withdraw. Was you just click withdraw, and your depositing and withdrawal aspect is instant. All right, so now let's head over on how to trade. Okay, Henry, you have taught us what forex trading is. You have talked about how to deposit. You've talked about how to withdraw. Now, how do we trade? Now that is simple. So today is Saturday. As you can see, today is Saturday. December 3rd. So the market is always closed. Now, in the forex market is open 5 days in a week from Monday to Friday. So, but you can trade on Saturday and Sunday, but only cryptocurrency. So now, as you can see, just watch this chart now. You will notice that it's only BTC that is moving. Watch, 37, 34, 37, 34 is the only one that is moving. The rest are not moving because they are closed for the day. Do you understand? So for this tutorial, we are going to be using BTC USD as an example. So once you tap it, it will take you straight to the chart. Do you understand? So this is the chart for BTC. I do not trade BTC. I only trade Forex, which is currency. So as I'm talking to you guys right now, I'm chilling. I'm not doing anything for the day. Now, as you can see, this we have a blue badge up here and a red badge, and they are covered in it's called spread. This is the spread. Now, this spread is too large. Whenever you are taking a trade, you are trading in any currency, and you see a spread like this, don't trade that currency. It's too large. Now, let me explain to you. If I place a sell, now, let me place a sell for instance. Now, look below. I will come back to that. Look below. You will see sell and buy. All right. Sell and buy. Sell is red. Buy is blue. This is the candlestick. This line you see here now, this is the candlestick, and this is the chart. Now, where if it goes up, is moving up, is coming down. That's I told you, the currency market, or a currency pair, or a currency at all, does not stay in one place. Every second, every minute, every hour, and every week, every month, every year, it moves up or down. It only goes up or down. So we make our money when we predict whether the market is going to go up or is going to come down. So let's say, for instance, now Bitcoin is around 609.78. I'm using the red badge below here now. So it's 616,009 blah blah blah, because it's moving very very fast. Okay, and I believe that it's going to sell. Now I'm going to show you why I advise not to trade when you see a spread like this. This is called spread. Now let me click sell. I click sell. Now you might be confused. What is 0.01 lots? Now in forex trading, we call our amount lot size. Our amount. So this 1,000 something you are seeing up here is called equity. Equity means my balance, what I have in my account. Now lot size is what amount you want to trade with from the 1,024 equity that I have. So 0.01 is the lowest lot size. So I want you to mark that now. Lot size. Lot size is what we use. Forex traders use lot size. We don't use amount. We don't say trade with so amount. We use lot size. So now 0.01 is the lowest lot. Is the lowest lot size. Now, the lower your lot size, the lower your profit and the lower your loss. The higher your lot size, the higher your profit and the higher your loss. So let's say, for instance, you want to sell BTC USD right now. I've clicked sell and I'm going to be using the lowest lot size. It's 0.01, and I click confirm sell. Now I have sold. And if you check the candlestick, you see a red badge. That was where I entered from. It's showing you where I entered from. Now above the red badge, you see a black circle. It's showing minus $0.15. So that's what I'm losing at the moment. Now if you notice, the candlestick has gone below the badge where I entered from, but I'm still in loss. Why am I still in loss? Because of, you see this spread. This thing you're seeing here now is spread. This blue badge must come down below this red badge where I entered from. See this blue badge now, just be following the arrow. It must come down below this red badge where I entered before I will start seeing profit. So that's why you see spread is very very important when you are trading. The larger the spread, the difficult it is for you to enter profit. So you need to always look for a currency that has the lowest spread. And I know why it is doing like this. This is because it's Bitcoin. Bitcoin is very volatile. So when the volatility of a currency is very very high, the broker tend to increase the spread. They tend to increase the spread. But if it's on a daily market day from Monday to Friday, no. The spread are always very, 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 very tiny, closer to each other. You see the red and the blue very, very close to each other. So as at the time whereby the candlestick went down from that red badge, I would have been in profit. Like right now, you would have seen plus something, +1 or +2 or +3 or +4. So don't be moved. Don't worry yourself. Okay. So right now I'm in loss. I'm in loss. Okay, I'm making loss. I'm supposed to be in profit because the candlestick is below. Sell. Okay, sell means come down. Buy means it will go up. Do you understand? So I've explained to you why you shouldn't trade when a spread is this large, because it will be very, very difficult for you to enter profit. And I've told you about lot size. The lower the lot size, I'm trading with 0.01. Check above, you see Bitcoin orders. One order, that's what I've only entered one trade. Volume lot, which is the lot size I use, is 0.01. P/L USD, meaning the profit or loss I am making. P means profit, L means loss in USD, in United States dollars that I'm making, because it's United States dollars I'm trading with. As you can see, look at my equity above, 1024.04 USD. If I'm trading in Naira, it will be NGN. So at this P/L, what you'll be seeing here is P/L, NGN. So, but I advise you to always trade with what? USD. So I'm in loss. So if I want to close this trade right now, if you check here, you see a times sign. I was to tap it. You say confirm to close. I'm closing in loss of minus $0.14. This is still okay. If I'm closing in minus $0.14, it's still okay. And that's because I entered with a small lot size. So I'm going to close this trade now. I've confirmed. Now I've closed, but I closed in loss. Now I'm going to enter this trade again with a bigger lot size. Let me enter this trade with like a one lot size. One lot size is very, very big. One lot size. Done. Confirm. I want to show you the loss. Can you see the loss? I'm making $13 loss. $13 loss instantly because of the spread is too wide. I've explained that before. Do you understand? So the larger your equity, which is the balance, the more you have the opportunity to trade with big lot size to make big money. Some people will not want to trade with 0.01 lot size because the profit is, even if the trade goes in line with your prediction, you can be making $1, $2, $3. That may not be what you want to be making on every trade you take. Many of you may want to make 20, 30, 40, 50, 100 at once. So if you want to do that, you have to trade with a bigger lot size. But that means you need to have a big account. So let's say, for instance, you started this account with a $10. Look at the loss we are making now. We are making minus $13. That means you would have blown your account if you enter with a one lot size. You would have blown your account. It wouldn't have even been able to work. It wouldn't have worked because you have a $10. You want to take a trade with one lot size. It will tell you insufficient fund. Do you understand? It will tell you insufficient fund. It wouldn't even work. But I'm just telling you so you will know that the higher your lot size, the higher the risk and the higher the profit. If the trade goes in line with prediction, you are making profit. If the trade goes against prediction, you're making loss. So I would want to also talk about this. There's more to this. Let me go back to my Telegram group and show you. Now, there's what we call SL and TP. SL means stop loss. TP means take profit. Now look at this trade that I sent. I said sell XAU. I sent this trade yesterday, Friday. Sell XAU USD now. SL. Let me open the chart. Now let me see if I can open this thing. Now this was where we entered from. Look at, we entered from 1797.911. Now and it's a sell. I said sell. Sell means it's going to what? Come down. Now see my take profit TP. This is the green line. I'm expecting this market to fall from here down to this place, 1757.912. Now, I now put a stop loss of 1801.562. Now, that is to help us choking the loss. Let's say, for instance, this trade that I say it will sell doesn't sell and it now goes back up. Once it hits that red line, 1801.562, the trade will close in loss automatically, whether you are with your phone or not. So setting a stop loss and a take profit is for those that may not really be able to be monitoring the trade. So they just want to put it there so that should in case it goes against, let it just hit this place and stop my trade in this minimal loss. Because if you do not set a stop loss and the trade keeps going against you, let's say for instance you started with a $10 and you entered the trade with a 0.01 or 0.05 and the trade keeps going against you, -3, -4, -1. When it gets to -10, boom, it will close the account. But if you have set a stop loss, maybe it gets to -2 or -2.5 and that was where you set your stop loss, it will close the trade. Then you can come back and see that, oh, my money has reduced to $8. Oh, that means that trade that I entered closed in loss. Do you understand? That means you have made loss from that, but that's your stop loss actually helped you. So now let's try that. Let's try that. Now, as this trade is going on, let's say for instance you just entered the trade and you did not set your take profit and your stop loss. Maybe you were too quick. You can still set it. Once you tap this order, it will show you the BTC. You tap the BTC, it will take you to this place. So you should click show details. You click show details. Now you see take profit, stop loss. So you need to add the take profit that I send, because every signal I send always come with take profit and stop loss. Add the take profit and add the stop loss. So as a professional, I have done the calculation. I've seen that, okay, let me put this minimal stop loss in case this trade doesn't go, it will close, and I've put this take profit. But if you're not going to be using it, that means you want to be monitoring your trade by yourself. You want to be looking at it. So if the thing keeps going against you and you notice, it has gone against me too much, let me close, you can close manually. So that's where you can actually edit it. So this spread keeps widening. I don't know why it keeps widening, but today is Saturday and cryptocurrency is always like that. But on a normal day, guys, I wish I had done this video on a normal day. You see the spread, it will be very, very close, because now I'm supposed to be in profit. Look at where I entered from this red badge line, this red circle. The candlestick is already below it, because this candlestick will show if it's below it. Because I'm selling, I'm supposed to be in profit now, but because of the spread, I can't be in profit. I'm seeing minus $13 loss. So that's how bad spread is. So now I've taught you about lot size. What is lot size? Lot size is the amount you trade with. But I'm noticing something on this new platform, because they've updated their app. Let's try and sell again. I click sell. Now, if you see this part that they wrote lots, if you click the drop down, you can actually change the lot to USD. Do you understand? So let's see. Let me see. Because I'm just seeing this update. So let me say I want to trade with 10 USD. Maybe I have a $1,000 account. I want to trade with 10 USD instead of lot size, because some people may understand amount more than lot size. Then I click done. Order settings. See order settings here. I click the order settings. It will bring out all this stuff. Now I want to put my take profit and stop loss in dollar. Also, I'll click this drop down from the take profit. It said profit in price, profit in pips, profit in USD, profit in percent. So let me do profit in USD. Then I said I want to make in this trade, I want to stake $10 and I want to make also $10. So let's say loss in USD, and I don't want to lose more than, in case this trade goes against me, minus $3 is enough, and I click done. Let me see if it will work, because I'm just seeing this new feature. Let me click confirm. Let's see if it will work. Said confirming order or placing order. I don't know. Let's see if it will work. But we don't actually use USD. What we use is pips, a lot size. From I've clicked lot. Let me put one lot. When you come down to take profit, you put profit in price. Profit in price, a loss in price. So why is it profit in price and loss in price? Let me show you what it means. Profit in price and a loss in price. Let me show you what it means. It's still trying to confirm that one I did. I don't know why, so I've just removed it. Now, what is price? Now, this is the actual price of Bitcoin. Now, I'm going to be using this red one below, 16,980 points, whatever. That's the price. It is right now as it's moving. That's the price. So if I want to put my stop loss, you remember it says stop loss in price. And okay, let's say, I'm selling. So, but now the thing is buying, meaning I'm in loss. Look at my loss has increased to $18 because I'm trading with a one lot size. It's still coming down. It's coming down. So let's say I want my profit to be at this point. Let's use this line as an example. This one, this 16,922. That's where I want my take profit to be. So that is the price. Take profit price should be here, and stop loss price. If you check this chart at the right hand side, this is where I'm looking at right now. That's where you see all the prices. That's where you see all the prices. So you can put your take profit in price. Let me move this chart to a 1 hour chart so that we can actually see it clearly. Let me reduce. This is okay. So now we can see. Let me use this as an example. This is where I entered this red circle. Now, I believe Bitcoin will sell to this point, 16,875.51. Now, that is what I will put on my signal, because we use price, we don't use USD or lot size. This is what I will put. So if you are doing it by yourself, this is what you add, you copy and put on your take profit. Now, I'm now saying, okay, what if this thing doesn't go in line with my prediction? What price would I want the trade to stop? Where will I put my stop loss? So I can put my stop loss anywhere here. Let me see if I can use lines. Maybe anywhere here. I will get the price there. Do you understand? Can I use indicators? No. Okay, but that's it. I will send you. You don't even need to bother yourself. I will send you all these things. That's how I do it. But you can do it yourself. All right. So I've taught you about lot size. I've taught you about take profit, and I've taught you about stop loss. So take profit and stop loss is just to help you. It is to help you. It is a very good risk management. So when you enter a trade, it's always good to put your take profit and you put your and your stop loss. Sometimes, I don't put take profit. I just put stop loss, because the trade can continue going in line with my prediction and hit my take profit and still continue. Do you understand? So sometimes I don't put take profit. I just put stop loss in case it doesn't go in my direction. Let it close in this amount. Do you get? So that is basically it. So this is how simple and easy it is to trade in the forex market. Nothing else. There's nothing you need again. This is it. As long as you know lot size, you know take profit, you know stop loss. That's all. So what you want to do now is, if you are now conversant with this, you have deposited your money, you are seeing your money, what you want to do now is subscribe to my Telegram channel, where I'll be sending you signals every day on what I want to trade, and what I send signals every day. I'm not the only one offering this service. You can go on Telegram and search for signal providing group. You will see plenty. So it's not as if I'm trying to promote myself or anything, but it's better you join the person that taught you. So you click the link. The link would also be in the comment section or the description of this video. You join. So what you want to do is register. So the name of this app is Exness. So, but make sure you don't go and download by yourself. Make sure you click the link that I've provided for you and you register. This is what many people will not want to teach you. This is what I'm teaching you free of charge. This is what many people charge money for. They will charge you a whole lot of money just to teach you this simple strategy. But I don't blame them, because knowledge is power, and knowledge is not free. But I'm actually here giving it out free of charge. So this is the simplicity of forex trading. So once you just swipe down, that is it. Nothing else. This market, let me click market, because let me talk about this app very well so you'd understand. Market shows you signals also. So not only, you can also get signals from this app. As you can see, check here, see top movers, trading signals, and upcoming events. So all these upcoming events, you may not understand this as a beginner. These are what we as professionals will look at before we send you signals, because we need to look at upcoming event news, because the news affects the market. So as a beginner, if probably Spirit FX, because I am Spirit FX, I have not sent a signal in a day. This app Exness, they provide signals. So now this signal is for XTZ intraday. We don't trade XTZ, so it's just giving you signals now for cryptocurrency, XRP, because today is Saturday, LTC, Link, Ethereum. All these are cryptocurrency signals. But I'm going to click one of them, or let me see if I can. If it's on a weekly day, Monday to Friday, you will be seeing signals on currencies like EUR USD, GBP USD, because that's what we trade. Don't forget, we trade currencies. So now let's use this USD JPY as an example. We'll tap it. This was for yesterday. As you can see, look at yesterday, 9:07. Now look at what they are predicting. Looking at this chart, the downside prevails as long as blah blah blah. This is the chart. So look at, let me see if I can I widen this. I can't widen this, but look at the arrow. There's a blue line, a black line, and two red lines. That black line is where the market is as at the time they sent this signal, 134.32. They are predicting that it's going to fall to 133.01. So this is also a signal. So you can say, oh, so these people are predicting that USD JPY will sell. Let me quickly sell USD JPY. You can just tap it. Look, let me go back. Let me show you where I tapped. I tapped the USD JPY on top of there. You can just tap it. Once you tap it, it will take you straight to the chart. So, but as you can see, market opens tomorrow at 11 something. So the buy and sell will not show. So if it is there, you just click sell, put in the lot size you want to trade with. If it is 0.01 or 0.05, depending on your equity. Equity is balanced. Do you understand? Then you can also use that signal that they send as your take profit and stop loss. Let's see the take profit. They said it will sell to 133.01. Put that as your take profit. Now the stop loss, you use that that blue line on top, because the black line is showing you where the market is. So use that blue line on top, 134.91 as your stop loss. Bam, you enter. So it doesn't necessarily mean that it is when the trade gets to the take profit that it must close. Once you are seeing your profit, you can close. There's what we call scalpers, and I'm one of I'm a scalper. I don't always wait for trade to hit take profit before I close. No, I don't always wait for trade to hit take profit before I close. Once I notice I'm in profit, I close instantly. So you can do that. So you can grow your account on daily basis. So let me see performance. So performance, no trade activity. So this place is to show you how you have been doing since when you started and how you have done so far. So it's simple. Accounts will show you all the accounts that you have. Okay, once you click the drop down, I'm doing a recap. Once you click this drop down, it will show you the real account you have. The amount there is 0. The demo account you have, the amount there is 1,007. So that demo is for practicing, like what I'm practicing with right now. So the open orders are 2. Now this USD JPY, I can't close it because the market is closed for now. Once I click close, I click confirm. You see, it said market is closed. I won't be able to close the trade because I would have closed it yesterday, which was Friday. But don't be afraid. On Monday morning, you can close your trade. But this one that is going on right now, which is BTC, I told you BTC works 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So you can actually close. See, I'm in loss. I can close this in loss. I can close in loss. So look at the close button below, close order. Do you understand? I did not add take profit and stop loss, so I can decide to add take profit here and stop loss here and click done. I can confirm or cancel. Let me cancel. Do you understand? So it's as simple as that. So take out time, create an account, play with the demo for like 1 week and get conversant with it. Get conversant with the app. This app is the best. You can go and do your research. Check out Exness. Exness is the best Forex broker, and I've been using them for over 3 years. No issues. I actually won an award with them last 2 years in Nigeria as the number 3 top partner. So Exness is in South Africa, is in Ghana, is in almost all the whole African country and almost all the whole European country, but it's not in the US and it's not in UK and some countries because those countries have too many laws. Do you understand? So that is it. So if you want to withdraw, you see at this top. Now let me use this demo account as an example. You see this top, you can click deposit. If you want to still deposit money in your demo account, see, you can deposit up to $10 million. So, but it is not your money. So let me add one more $1,000. Click continue. Save. As you can see, my account has changed to $2,000. If you want to withdraw, see withdraw showing you here. Click withdraw. Put the amount you want to withdraw and blah blah blah. That's on a real account, but on the demo account, when you click withdraw, it's not going anywhere. Okay, it's just going to remove the money. So when you are going to be practicing, I would advise you to start with $100. Put $100 when you're depositing. So start trading with small lot size because this thing can be very sweet. If you start trading with big lot size, like you put a $10,000 on your demo and you're not trading with 1 lot, 2 lot, you are seeing $50 every day, $100, $1,000, it will be sweeting you. But when you now want to start with a real account, you're not going to start with like $50 because that's what you can afford. Now, during those times you've been training with a big lot size, you don't know that you are actually psychologically training yourself the wrong way. So it will be difficult for you to trade with that $50 that you are starting with. The small $1, $2 profit that you'll be making because of you are using small lot size will not now be enough for you because you think maybe real account is demo account. You will now want to go and try to use big lot size on that $50 account. You will now blow it. So it's always advisable you start with a small account as a demo account. Use $100, use $50, something you know that when you want to start with, that's what you will start with. That's what you should use. Okay, then be trading with small lot size, be getting yourself acquainted with it. So once you have now understood it better, because I know I've taught you everything that you need to know. So let me click this profile. Let's click profile. So this account is even verified. See, it's a verified account. So this is where you will know whether your document that you have provided for Exness have been verified or not. You will notice it from here. All right. So that's it. Accounts will show you the accounts that you have. I've told you click drop down here and all that. The order, open order, pending order, there's no pending order, closed order. This is the order that I have closed, because I did a tutorial with this. So that's when I took all this. I've closed with this. I made $19, made $0.2. This BTC was the one we closed earlier. So these are the open orders that we have. You can actually close them from this dashboard. Once you tap it, you can click close below or view on chart. Once you view on chart, you will see what is happening. Now this is on a 1 hour time frame. You may not understand this as a beginner, but don't worry. Once you tap this below here, 1 hour, change it to 1 minute. So you will see real time what is happening. So this is the real time what is happening. This was where we entered from. And this is where the market is right now. It's really going against us. We said sell. Do you understand? But it's buying. So this is how you can actually make money from Forex or lose money from Forex. So that's why if you want to do it on your own, you may not get it. You may just be doing guessing. I guess it will go up. You guess, you lose. So it's better you follow a mentor. You join my Telegram group where I'll be sending signals every day. And mind you, have this in mind. Forex trading is very, very risky. You can lose all your money in one day. So when you hear people say this, that, you can lose all your money in one day and you can make a fortune in one day. Do you understand? So I want to believe that is all. I've talked about spread. This spread is just way too large. It's way too large, and it's because it's Saturday and it's Bitcoin. So we are not trading Bitcoin. So don't expect it to always be like this every day. Okay? If you check below, you see sell. You check here, the left hand side, you see sell. The right hand side, you see buy. So even this sell and buy is still giving you signal. It's giving you signal. You see sell. If you check below, you see 47%. That means they're telling you 47% of people are saying it will sell or they are selling, and 53% are saying it's going to buy and they are buying. And if you check, it is literally what? Buying. So if you would have entered a buy, we should have been in profit by now. So this is also a signal too. So meaning you don't really necessarily need me to always send you signals on daily basis. You don't always need me to send you signals on daily basis. You can come here and see signals for yourself. So this is literally Forex trading broken down in a layman understanding. Now, I have a whole lot of people that have taught Forex this way, this same way. And I can bet you that they are making money more than me. They are in my trading group. So once I send signal, these people have money. There are some people that they have big money. So most of them are from the north. I like talking about the guys in the north, the northern part of Nigeria. They are very rich. So once I teach them this basic, they say, okay, no problem. They are okay with the basic. They don't want anything advanced, because the advanced is a little bit difficult. The advanced is a little bit because you start learning how to understand charts, price action, fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and that's where we come in. So that will give you a like 60-70% knowledge of where you think the market is going to. So those guys are not even interested in that. Once they know how to buy and sell, they know what is lot size, they know what is take profit, they know what is stop loss, they know how to enter the trade, and they know how to close, which is what I've just taught you now is enough for them. Most times when I send signals every day and they send me and they private chat me and say, thank you, sir, this was what I made, I'm always amazed. Sometimes $3,000, $5,000. You see them using 20 lot size, 10 lot size, things that I cannot do. I am the one that called the signal. I am the one that I call signal. I enter a trade with, let's say, probably 1 lot size or 0.5, and I'm making maybe $200, $100. And when I see their own, they enter with 10 lot size, 15 lot size, and I'm making over $3,000, $4,000, $5,000. And I ask them personally, why don't you think it's risky? What if it goes against you? Do you know this is the same amount you'll be losing? Each time I hear them, they'll tell me, sir, we trust your signal. We trust your signal. We've tried your signal, and 95% of all the time, it always comes true. So we decide to risk it that way. Wow, I'm always amazed. So you don't need to be a professional Forex trader. You don't need to know technical fundamental analysis. As long as you have known this simple thing that I've taught you right now, You can confidently trade by yourself, needing no aid or support. And I've even told you that Exness also sends signals. Even the buy and sell button below shows you signals. And I've told you this spread is not advisable. Don't trade this spread. I'm supposed to even be in profit now, because if you check, the candlestick is below the red line, the red circle where I entered, but I'm not in profit. So don't trade spreads like this. It's because of his Bitcoin, that's why it's like this. So don't think it will always be like this. Don't be afraid. It's never going to be always like this. On a Monday, you can check it out. You see that the spreads will be very, very closer to each other. So it will be easier for you to make profits or make loss. I'm not going to hide the fact that you can make loss in this market. Okay, so that's it. That's all. Just scroll down. These are the simple things you need, and you can be making your cool cash from forex trading. Just make sure, like I told you, make sure you register on Exness with the link I provide. With the link I provide, please make sure you register on Exness with the link I provide, and make sure you join the Telegram channel that I send. Join the Telegram channel that I send to get signals on a daily basis. That is all. You can be you don't have to be a full-time forex trader. You can be in your place of work or your office. Bring out your phone, go on your account, trade, make money, and live a better life. So that's all, guys. Account, trade, market is for signals, like I told you, for signals. Performance is to show you how you have done. Profile will show you just your account and all that. That's it. That's all about forex trading. This video is long, but it is the complete broken down beginners stage or level of forex trading. Nobody will show you all these things. I'm showing you for free. So if you really know that you want to even still support me, click the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this video to as many people as possible, and make sure you register on Exness using that link that I sent you. Thank you very much, guys. If you have questions, contact me. That Telegram group, I'm there. Contact me or drop a comment. I would answer your question. Okay? Thank you very much. I told you, do not bother yourself. I'm the one that will give you the take profit and the stop loss. Your own is just to add it. Just come here and add it. Don't stress yourself. Do you understand? As a beginner, I'm the one that will tell you sell XAUUSD now, but I'm not going to tell you the lot size to use, because that depends on you. You can choose to use 0.01 if you want to make small money. If you want to use one lot size, that depends on you. Your lot size is up to you to choose. Okay, it's up to you to choose. But the take profit and stop loss, I am the one that will provide it for you. So do not stress yourself. Okay, do not stress yourself on that issue. So I just decided to say this. Let me add this, because many of you might be saying, price, which one is price again? This thing is difficult. It's not difficult. Just I will send you signal. Your own is just understand when how to buy and how to sell. And I've shown you red one means sell, blue one means buy. Once I send signal like this, your own is locate the currency pair, which is this one is sell XAUSD. XAUSD is very, very close. It's something you can see. Once you click trade, it will show you the ones that are favorite. US Tech, APPL, that one is Apple stocks, GBP USD, USD JPY, XAUSD. So all these ones, EUR USD, all these ones are here. So let's say, for instance, I call out a currency pair that is not among this list that you are seeing here. Let me use, for instance, I say buy AUD USD. So what you want to do now is, if I say buy AUD and you check here, it's not here. You see this search icon here. Tap it, then write AUD USD. This is it. So anything I tell you that is not among the list of favorites, you can put it here. Do you understand? Just tap it. It will take you straight to the chart and you sell. You can even edit favorite. Click edit favorite. Remove the ones that you want to remove, like this APPL. We don't trade it. Please delete it. US Tech. We trade US Tech sometimes, but not all the time. Remove it. So we don't trade BTC. Do we trade BTC? Cryptocurrency? No, remove it. So we trade, carry this EUR. So you see, you can move it, EUR. You just click the right hand, that drop down, 3 drop down, you can move it, EUR, move EUR upward. So we trade EUR can be in the number 2. EUR can be in the number 2. So we trade GBP USD, EUR USD, USD JPY, XAE USD, and US oil. Then you can even still add if you want to add, like I called AUD USD. Yes, we do trade that sometimes. AUD USD. You can put it. Why is it not showing? Why is it not showing? Okay, add instrument. Let's see. But let's just, this is okay first. So this is, let's see, edit favorite. Okay, this is okay. Let me see, edit favorite, add whatever. But USD, AUD USD is supposed to be among here now. AUD US, AUD USD is supposed to be among this list. Okay, but no worry, I think I understand now. Let's say we click search. Let's write AUD USD. Okay, this is it. Tap it. Let's see if we can add it to favorite. Okay, look at this star button here. This star, you add it. It has been added. Definitely it has been added. So let's go back and see if we will see it. Cancel. Yes, it's already there. Look at it at the top. AUD USD. So that's why. So these are the currency. We trade currency. Do you understand? So don't worry yourself on price or anything. Your own is just know what to buy and when to buy. Let's say, for instance, let me go back again. Let me scroll up to some of the other signals I've sent. Let me see. I sent XA. We've been trading XA USD because it's very profitable. Okay, now look at this one. Buy. Imagine I sent buy USD CHF now. Apply proper risk management. SL is 0.93751. TP is 0.95629. Only what you just need to do is, he said USD CHF. Come to your currency. Check. USD CHF is not among here. Search for it. USD CHF. You will see this is it. Tap it. It has already taken you there. Click the plus sign so that it will be among the least favorite. What did I say you should do? Did I say you should buy or you sell? It is buy. Buy now. Now you know your account. Only you know how much you have in your account. I have a $1,000 account. I want to buy with a one. Now you see, it's showing it is still tomorrow, 11:05 p.m. That's when the market will be open. But let's just say, for instance, the market is open. What you want to click is buy. Once you click the buy, it will show you that place where you put lot size. Put the lot size that you feel you want to use, depending on your balance, your equity. If your equity is strong, you can use 1, 2, 3, 4. If your equity is not strong, you use 0.01. Then you click more settings. Share is more settings now. Yes, let me use this BTC for example. Where's that BTC trade that is going on safe? Let me add it. This BTC is because of this. Okay, add it. So let's say, for instance, it is BTC I say we should buy. I don't know why this thing is taking long. Please, I don't want this video to be too long. You click buy. Once you click buy, thank you very much. This is the lot size. See other settings. You tap other settings. This is the take profit. This is the stop loss. Come back to the page. Look at the take profit I said you should use, 0.9 whatever and SL. Put it there. Then click buy. Confirm. That is all. Once you are in profit, you are seeing your profit $10, $20, $30. Me, I can't wait for this thing to enter, to hit the TP. Let me close. You click the close. You have closed. That is only what you need. Forget about, price, lot size. How can I calculate this? How can't I calculate this? That is not your problem. That is not your problem. So what I'm teaching you here right now is how to become profitable, to trade excellently. And 90% of all my students, this is all what they know. It's only few that want to graduate to the advanced level, want to understand almost everything that but you don't need that. You don't need that. You don't need that at all. Like I said earlier, I have people who are 99.9% more profitable than I am, and they don't even know all those things. Their own is they just understand this basic knowledge, this basic one. And once I send signal, they enter, they trade. And sometimes they're even trading by themselves. Like I told you, Exness sends signal. If you click market, you see signals. Most time they take signals from Exness here. They will just click the chart. Once what is Exness saying? It will sell from here down to this place. They'll enter a sell. That's it. Or when you click the currency itself, when you check the buy and sell below, it always show percentage. That is also a signal on its own. But I'll just advise you, just focus on my signal, or you can also use Exness signal. That's just it. Don't bother. How can I calculate this? How can't I calculate this? How can I put this? Your own is the lot size to use, take profit, stop loss, and the currency pair. Since you can now navigate it through on this app, You can use it. You can put the lot size. You already understand that small lot size means small profit and small loss. Big lot size means big profit and big loss. This is the TP Mr. Henry provided. This is the SL Mr. Henry provided. I have added it. I have confirmed the buy. It is buying. I'm seeing plus something profit, or it is selling. It is going against us. I'm seeing minus something. Oh, I can close the trade. I have closed the trade. Oh, I can close the trade in profit or in loss. I have closed. I can deposit and I can withdraw. That is all you need to know.